Welcome back to the ABZ network. Today in this video, we are going to discuss a summary of a story written by Ruskin Bond. The name of the story is The Eyes Have It. It was a very wonderful story. Now let's begin with the summary of the story. The speaker was traveling in a train alone in a compartment till Rohana. Then a girl boarded the train. Her parents had come to the station to see her off. They were worried about her comfort and gave her directions to keep her bags. The speaker was completely blind at the time, so he could not see how the girl looked like. Then the speaker started talking to the girl and wanted to know where she was headed. The girl was surprised to hear him speak, as she did not know there was someone else in the compartment. The speaker thought that the people who have a good vision seldom give attention to the small details around them. The girl said that her aunt would meet her at the Saharanpur station. They continued talking to each other about their destinations and the weather. The speaker asked the girl how the outside looked like. The girl told him to look outside and see for himself. The speaker pretended to do so. He described the trees and the telegraph post and other things the train was chugging by. The speaker wondered whether the girl's hair was cut short or tied in a bun or was kept hanging loose. He liked her voice and laughter, so he wanted to continue talking to her. After some time, the train reached the Saharanpur station, where the girl's aunt was waiting for her. The girl said goodbye to the speaker and went away. Then the speaker heard some confusion in the doorway of the garage. Then a man entered and said that the speaker must have been disappointed because, although the girl had a pretty face, she was completely blind. So at the end, I hope you liked the story. And for more videos, stay tuned to the AVZ network. Till then, take care, bye-bye, have a great day everyone.
give this video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell beside the subscribe button to be notified every time we upload. Until next time, take care and stay tuned to the ABZ Network on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.